we can return a custom type value from a handler as a response in Axum. In cargo.toml file, let's add 30 and 30 JSON, so we can serialize and deserialize JSON. We create an app function to return our Axum router, and the in function, we serve this router with this listener. We create a user token. And in this router, we add a router passes slash, and we pass this hello as handler. So let's define a custom type. We will define a struct type. Let's give it a name user. Let's add a field name. Let's give it a type string. Let's add another field age. Let's give it a type answer2. Then we need to add an attribute derive serialize. We add an attribute serialize from 30, so we can serialize this user type value to JSON. Then we need to implement into response treat for this user type. So it will tell us we need to implement a method into response. So let's implement a method into response. In this method, let's create a variable, give it a name rise equal to, we call 30 JSON to string. Then we'll pass this ref self as argument. Then let's call unwrapper to handle the result. So this self is a user instance, so it will serialize this user instance to JSON string. Then we will return response new function. In this new function, we'll pass a body from. We will pass this res as argument. Let's go back to this hello handler. In hello handler, so in hello handler, we can directly return an instance of this user type after we implement this into response treat for this user type. So let's create a user instance name. Let's give it a value string from gym age. Let's give it a 20. Then we will return this instance from this handler hello. Let's start our server cargo run in terminal. Then let's go to the web browser. Let's visit a local host 3000. So you can see it will send a response of this user instance. Name is Jim, age is 20. This is how we return a custom type value from a handler. Hope to see you next time.